How to blur an image in Canva. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur any image in Canva. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design and select the image you want to blur. Next, on the side of your screen, you'll see option Blur under the Tools tab. Select Blur. You'll see two blur options. The first option is Brush Blur, which lets you blur only specific parts of an image. Adjust the brush size and blur intensity to your preference, then click and drag over the area you want to blur. If you need to erase part of the blur, select Remove, adjust the brush size if needed, and paint over the blurred area. To remove all brush blur at once, click Remove Blur at the bottom. If you want to blur the entire image, select Whole Image and adjust the blur intensity slider until you get the desired effect. That's it. You've successfully blurred your image in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.